We are going to review top 5 best derailleur hanger alignment. Let's get started. List number 1. Shimano DLR-D11. The Shimano DLR-D11 promises precise measurements by incorporating a metric ruler into its ultralight, 1.1 pound design in lieu of the typical feeler rod. Impressive and offering as it is, all but the most frivolous and fanatical are likely to find it prohibitively priced. Nickel chrome-coated carbon steel. Rotatable ruler for convenience. Telescopic handle for portability. Tough genuine Shimano tools. Used for realigning the rear mech hanger to maintaining precise gear shifting. Screws directly into rear mech hanger threads. Precision measuring ruler is pushed against the rear wheel at various positions to provide precise alignment info. The tool is used to gently bend the hanger for perfect alignment. List number 2. Park Tool DAG 2.2. The tighter tolerances on this new edition allow for less give than its last version, fostering better accuracy. Chrome-plated gauge bar. Fits Shimano direct mount hangers. Limited lifetime warranty. A misaligned derailleur hanger can cause skipping, missed shifts, and wreak general havoc on your bicycle's drivetrain. The Park Tool DAG 2.2 derailleur hanger alignment gauge is an indispensable shop tool that can be used to both measure and straighten misaligned derailleur hangers, diagnosing and solving many shifting problems. Compatible with virtually all derailleur-equipped bicycles, and adjusts to work with wheels from 16 inches to 29 plus. The tool is installed in place of the derailleur. List number 3. CYCLO Spirit Hanger Alignment Gauge. Though it is a reasonably priced option, the heavy gauge construction of the CYCLO Spirit Hanger Alignment Gauge means it is also built to last. The helpful user manual provides you with step-by-step directions for attaining smooth shifting gears. Replaceable M10 tip. Ball plunger helps with control. Includes cloth carrying case. Derailleur hangers are designed to save rear derailleur and sacrificed in case of a severe crash, but this also means that they're prone to bending on minor impacts like bike falling, inadequate storage or transportation. A bent derailleur hanger will manifest as dodgy, inconsistent shifting and drivetrain noise that no amount of cable tension adjustments, limit screw fiddling or chain cleaning will solve. List number 4. COHERNY Professional. Although its fully extended length exceeds 15 inches, the collapsible COHERNY Professional can have its size reduced to approximately 9 inches, which is a nice touch for users trying to fit the tool into panniers or a cluttered backpack. Budget-friendly option. 304 stainless steel body. Won't work with small diameter tires. It is used to correct the rear lifting lug and to check the transmission shifting problem simply and accurately. Especially after positioning the shifting system, the result can be known immediately. The main body is made of 304 stainless steel and features a high temperature resistance of 800 degrees. Improved clearance and reach to work on more frame/derailleur hanger combos, including low clearance through axle derailleur hangers. List number 5. BW Bicycles Alignment Tool. Built to last for years and manufactured with a brushed metal finish, the adjustable nature of the BW Bicycles Alignment Tool makes it compatible with most common sizes of tire, and capable of servicing any size of wheel between 20 and 29 inches. Very affordable. Axle can wiggle hindering accuracy. We are so sure you'll be happy with your purchase that we offer a 90-day money-back guarantee to ensure customer satisfaction of our products. If for any reason you wish to discontinue using the product, we will promptly issue a refund. Compatible with road, mountain and youth bicycles with wheels ranging from 20 to 29. Simple and easy to use design.